Hello and welcome to Ram Morning Yoga. I'm Jana and today we are going to talk about forward folds. We're going to talk about keeping alignment through the spine and keeping a healthy, beneficial posture in a yoga practice. And as we talk about forward folds, we're also going to talk about the strap. And you don't have to specifically have a yoga strap, but something like a robe tie or a belt can be useful, or even a hand towel. Just anything that you can use in a forward fold to increase your reach while keeping a straight spine. All right, so if you're in a cross-leg position, now is the time to bring your legs out straight in front of you. And we're just gonna kind of adjust here, keeping our strap close by. Grounded through the sits bones. Straight posture through the spine, the shoulders roll back. On the inhale, we bring the arms overhead. And on the exhale, keeping a straight spine, we want to start slowly leaning forward, keeping the crown of the head tall, straight through the neck. And then finding a little bend in the knees, maybe. Wiggling the knees, keeping the spine straight, and then coming back up. Rolling the shoulders out, kind of finding that seat again, getting the sits bones grounded. And then we're gonna find our strap. And the strap it can be anything that you use to make your reach longer. Because in these forward folds, the way that they were originally taught was to come down and touch your toes. It's called head to knee pose, Janu Shirshasana. But for us, if I put my head to my knee, then it makes my spine round out. And it makes it where the posture that I'm in would potentially cause me harm more than help me in a yoga practice. So the strap is something that we use to increase the length of the arms. We have the strap across the ball of the feet now, whatever you're using, a towel, robe tie, a belt. And we want to roll the shoulders back and turn the insides of the elbow joint toward one another. Relax the hands and fingers. So we're going to roll the shoulders back, straight through the spine, crown of the head tall, chin slightly lifted. And on the exhale, folding forward, trying to keep all the parts of the spine in straight alignment. Maybe just folding forward just a tiny bit. And you should really be feeling this along the section where your lumbar and thoracic spine meets. And on the inhale, bringing the crown of the head back up toward the sky. Taking a big breath in. And on the exhale, slowly forward fold, keeping that spine straight, using the muscles running along the sides of the spine to hold you up, rather than relying on the spine itself. Engaging the muscles in the arms, keeping a bend in the elbow, leading forward with the chest. And then we'll just take this a couple more times. So we're going to use the inhale to really stretch the spine out, lengthen it, and then we use the exhale to bend forward a little further. Keeping the integrity of the spine, trying to keep those shoulders away from the ears, bend in the elbow, relax through the hands, slight bend in the knees. You can even move the knees around a little. So keeping that slight bend in the knees, we're gonna come all the way back up. Crown of the head toward the sky, shoulders rolled back, big breath in, and exhale as you forward fold, your last forward fold in this position. Then nice breath in as you come up, bringing the head up slowly. And you can take the strap off the balls of your feet, but keep it over here on your left side for now. And we're gonna scoot over to the left, just a little bit left of our mat here, and I am sitting on a blanket because it's hard floor under here. We're going to bend the right knee, sole of the right foot comes to the inside of the right thigh. Picking up our strap, we want to practice that forward fold, but just on one side. So taking the strap around the ball of your foot here, not on your toes, and you don't want it down there in the arch because that part is tender and it can give you a foot cramp, but putting it across the bony ball of your foot there, taking one side of the strap in each hand, and we're going to take this one-sided forward fold the same way that we progressed through the full forward fold. So on the inhale, we roll the shoulders back, crown of the head comes up, spine is straight, and on the exhale, we fold forward just a little bit. Inhale, straightening back out through the spine, lifting out of the fold. Maybe putting in that slight bend in the knee, and on the exhale, folding back down again. On the inhale, coming up, lengthening through the spine, shoulders rolled back, and on the exhale, forward folding. And maybe you notice that as you stretch out on your inhales and come back down on your exhales, you can fold a little bit further each time. So we're going to remove the strap, and we're going to turn this forward fold that we've been working on into a flow. So we're going to move with the breath, a vinyasa. So we're going to bring the arms up on the inhale, and as you exhale, folding forward. And this is called head toward knee pose, Janu Shirsasana. Inhale, coming up tall. Exhale, forward fold. And then moving that with your breath. So the inhale brings the arms up overhead. And the exhale, forward folding. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, forward folding, head to knee pose. But never sacrificing the integrity of that straight spine. Folding into this as far as is beneficial, keeping a slight bend in the knee. And so now that we've got our bend in our knee, we've kind of settled into this forward fold with the breath, we're going to add a little bit more onto this. We are going to add in a stargazer pose. So the inhale, we'll bring the hands up overhead. And the exhale, we fold forward, head to knee pose. Inhale, coming up. And on the exhale, we'll take a spinal twist. Left hand comes around toward the right knee. Right hand comes behind to kind of balance us and give us support like a kickstand. And so we have a couple of options here. Option one is we're going to roll this foot in, roll the leg in, and reach out through the arm. So we're getting a nice stretch this way. So option two, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to roll the leg and the foot in. Hand is behind us for support, but then we're going to come up on the right knee. And coming down. And so you can kind of find anywhere in between that feels good for you. The inhale brings you up. And the exhale, forward folding toward the knee. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, taking a twist to the right. Right hand goes behind you for support. Coming up on the right knee, letting the left arm extend over your head. Coming back down. And so if you're feeling your knee telling you that that's not exactly right for you, feeling free to add some padding underneath your knee or not incorporating the knee at all. Rolling that leg over and getting that side extension. You're still getting the exact same stretch here. But you're not putting as much pressure on the ankle or the knee. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, twisting to the right. We'll take a couple more, just at your own pace. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, extend or lift. And do 2 more. And then coming back to center, going to extend both legs and kind of bend the knees, wiggle the legs, roll the ankles, just do some ankle circles, and kind of keep that circulation going through the legs. And this time, scooting over toward the right side of the mat. So the right leg will be extended out straight, and then the left knee will bend. The sole of the left foot comes to the inside of the right thigh, and we are going to play with a forward fold on the opposite side. So we're going to take the strap and bring it around this bony, hard ball of the foot here. You don't want it in the arch because we don't want a foot cramp. One side of the strap in each hand. Inhale, we extend through the spine. Exhale, forward folding, keeping that slight bend in the knee, keeping a straight spine. We'll ease into this forward fold as we did the other 2. The inhale, we lengthen through the spine, raise the crown of the head, slight bend in the knee. Exhale, forward folding, just a little. Using the muscles in the back, the muscles running along either side of the spine to support the body. The spine begins to straighten, shoulders roll back, maybe you lift up a little on your next inhale, and then lowering down one more time, forward folding. And on your next inhale, you can come up, remove your strap. Inhale, brings the arms overhead. Exhale, forward folding. Janu Shirshasana, head to knee pose. Inhale, brings the hands up tall. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, bringing the hands up. And we'll do just a couple more of these. Exhale, folding forward, spine straight, shoulders rolled back. Head tall, arms coming up, and the left hand comes behind us for support. We're going to either come up on the left knee, extend the right arm out as the right toes turn down toward the mat, and coming back forward. Inhale, the arms come up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, the arms come up. Left hand comes behind for support. Right arm extends. And then you can come up on that left knee if you would like to. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, the hands come up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lift. Exhale, twist. Breath in brings us up. And breath out, forward fold. Hands come up. Coming around, planting that left hand, coming up on the left knee, or extending through the left arm. And let's do just a couple more. I thank you for allowing me to offer you some suggestions for your practice, and I hope that these helped you. From me to you, namaste.